We're at the 2018 Building Systems Housing Summit in Knoxville, Tennessee, and this is day 2. We're halfway through, and I have the distinct pleasure of standing here talking with Brian Sealift from Tamarac Row Engineering. Brian, you were one of our speakers, and you're also one of our sponsors of the event. Tell us what you like so much about this summit.
Well, this is my 3rd year going. I invested in this because I'm a pretty big thing in terms of you got to invest to get back. I'm very passionate about this industry, what we do, from just what the summit has to offer with the different types of work that you see here, from panelized to modular to log to timber to SIPs. So in terms of what my business does in the structural engineering world, we have the opportunity to review and provide those stamps that most of the jurisdictions require for permits. So in coming to these meetings, we have the opportunity to meet a lot of people. And obviously not only get plugged in at the event in terms of we walk away with stuff that we learn as well, but it's an opportunity to meet people, it's a network, and it's just a great opportunity in terms of what we're doing for our business.
What do you think so far of the summit this year?
I think it's good. I mean, every year, this is our 3rd year attending, and each one's different. You gather a little bit more knowledge in terms of from the economists that are talking to what the national averages are, to just listening to other people's take on where their businesses are and like things they've learned, tricks of the trade. I mean, there's the whole big opportunity of a networking group like this is an opportunity to come together with just a whole room full of people's knowledge and experiences that we can all just pull from and gain knowledge but give knowledge. So far so good.
Right. And you're literally on the front line of the structural engineering behind a lot of systems built homes, log homes, right, off-site construction. Do you see it being the wave of the future and it's moving in that direction quickly?
Well, it's already here. I mean, basically we do what we got to do because of codes. The building codes are there, and it's a constant moving target, but it's something that, more and more jurisdictions are being privy. For many years, residential was something that just really didn't require engineering, but that's changing. With just education, with more research is being done out there, with the whole need with the labor shortage in terms of what are some other options we can do. The jurisdictions in terms of the ICC that kind of drives the bus is providing more training and more continuing education for building officials. So what you saw 20 years ago with really not a need for structural engineering because it really wasn't required, that's changed nowadays, and it's only getting, I don't want to even say worse, it's just that's where we're going as a society. And it's a matter of keeping up, but being knowledgeable for your company, and obviously that puts us in a great position with being licensed in all 50 states to be able to offer our services.
Yeah, and that's really impressive, all 50 states. So for those of you out there watching this, Tamarac Row Engineering is licensed in all 50 states, and they do play a big role in the system-built housing, off-site construction industry. And I know we're very grateful to have you here. We're very grateful for your sponsorship and for the knowledge that you bring to us every year. So
thank you.
All right, and you're based out of Boise, Idaho?
Yes, we're in Boise, Idaho. Started the company in 2007. We're up to about 32 employees now, staff. But collectively, we do probably 90% of our work out of the state of Idaho with FedEx, internet, and email. You can pretty much work wherever these days. So, we have a staff that provides the necessary depth, the necessary turnaround times we were talking about, that really offers the end user in terms of to help their clients get permits.
Well, Brian, we really appreciate having you out here. Right. I'm Dave Cooper, and we're at the 2018 Building Systems Housing Summit in Knoxville, Tennessee.